Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am stuck. What should I talk? Because once I go for a talking, then all my mind gonna blank. But still I want to jump in. Forget about things. Let's start. What I learned today. Look, I am very excited about what is the Python, and I'm very curious about that how to use it. And that's what I watched some videos, and then I decide only one video watch after watching only one videos. I decided that I should take some rest for this. Don't take any decision in hurry, because once you take a decision in hurry, it's become so stressful for you. So take a long breath and then decide what should you do, and this personality would suit you or not. I think we should think about it. We must think about it. Actually, I also think about it. mm, so what once I start to watch this video, I realized there is no such a difficulty to learn the Python. In fact, I should join the course, maybe or not. Only I share with you. I'm not going to do this exact. I will take a decision after a long time, not a long after 2 3 days. I I know for this I should it must require a laptop, must, because there are lots of app, there are lots of website. Once you run, then your mobile become hang. So don't do this. And first of all, you are practicing your English, speaking English, writing English. There is lots of stuff you have to do. Then you have a time to learn this Python. I think yes, because once I start to learn this Python is already would already would already available in English, so I can easily learn this. Because before some time I had a no idea how to learn anything, because all true information is available in English, not in majority of case. Lots of good information are available in English. Once you are not able to understand English language and English speaking, then you are not complete this. So I find myself that I can understand the English language, English written, and with and once they have a no out of vocabulary, they would have a no out of vocabulary, then I can understand. Once once I find out of vocabulary, then I never heard, then it becomes so difficult. So I know that it is not easy for everyone. It is, in fact, even it is not easy for me. I want to still progress in this area. I'm not telling you that I am the expert in this area. Now I can do anything. I'm not telling you that. I'm in the process, and it will take a time. I'm here to take a time. Actually, this journey will require some effort, and I know that what should I do. I think I should take a time to learn this language and then jump in another skill. This is the skill, you know now. Yes, but there are lots of people who know this skill, and they don't do this. What is the need for this skill then? Are you think about it? I think I never think about it. I'm just do it. Whatever things happen, I don't know. God had a God have a plan for me. I know that. Then then he want that he wants that I should do this. Then he impressed me, and then he encouraged me that no, you can do. So all is the plans I can follow, and I can utilize it. You can say that I am utilizing my all time. I never kill my time. I realize it after a long time, but it's okay. At least you realized this is enough. Just go and keep practicing, keep learning. It will give you some good sign for your career. Maybe, maybe not. I'm not. I'm not telling you that exact what happened, but I can tell you that I'm just learning. I'm just in preparing myself what I am, and I want to become my best version. What I can do, and I want to change my life. I want to change my whole world. And in this process, I can see some little bit changes. Yes, some little bit change I can see. Once you have experience, then you can be able to understand to public. And once you have a not you haven't any experience, you can't be capable to understand publics. So first of all, acquire a experience, then go for speak. And first of all, acquire English language skill, then go for any another. So I think I am able to conference my thought. I'm daily do it. That's so proud of me. Some little bit. I'm not going to praise over self myself. No, I'm just give myself. I'm just give myself some little bit pep talk. Yes. So thank you for that.